There's something calming about being surrounded by nature. The gentle flow of a river, the rustling of leaves in the breeze, the sunlight dancing through the trees. In the middle of our busy lives, these simple moments remind us to slow down, take a deep breath, and reconnect with the world around us. And here in the Tampa Bay area, some of the most beautiful escapes are hiding in plain sight. From scenic river trails and peaceful conservation parks to lush botanical gardens filled with color and life, these natural spaces offer the perfect place to unwind, explore, and find relief from the Florida heat. Today, we're discovering some of Tampa Bay's most relaxing outdoor destinations. Places where you can walk beneath towering trees, spot local wildlife, enjoy beautiful gardens, and simply appreciate the beauty of nature. We'll visit Hillsborough River State Park, the Wilderness Conservation Park at Morris Bridge, and Sawgrass Lake Park. Then we'll discover peaceful local gems like Carillon Park at St. Pete, and what Mongkolratanaram in Tampa. Before ending our journey among the stunning landscapes of Florida Botanical Gardens, Sunken Gardens, and Marie Selby Botanical Gardens. So come along with me as we explore the parks, conservation areas, and botanical gardens that make Tampa Bay such a special place to reconnect with the outdoors. Let's begin. Our first stop is Hillsborough River State Park, one of Florida's oldest and most beloved state parks, located just a short drive from Tampa near Zephyrhills. After sustaining damage from Hurricane Milton in October 2024, the park underwent extensive restoration efforts and proudly reopened to visitors in February 2025, welcoming nature lovers back to its beautiful landscapes. Spanning more than 3,300 acres, Hillsborough River State Park offers over 7 miles of scenic trails that wind through lush forests, towering live oaks, and diverse Florida ecosystems. Whether you enjoy hiking, kayaking, fishing, birdwatching, camping, or simply taking a peaceful walk in nature, there's something here for everyone. One of the park's most unique features is the Hillsborough River itself. Flowing through the heart of the park, this Blackwater River is one of the few rivers in Florida known for its natural rapids. The rushing water creates a landscape that's surprisingly different from what many people expect to find in Florida, making this park a favorite destination for photographers, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone looking to reconnect with nature. As you explore the trails and boardwalks, keep an eye out for local wildlife and take a moment to appreciate the peaceful beauty that makes Hillsborough River State Park one of Tampa Bay's most treasured natural escapes. Our next stop takes us a little deeper into Florida's wild side, Wilderness Conservation Park's Morris Bridge site. Nestled along the Hillsborough River, this hidden gem offers a peaceful escape into some of the area's most beautiful natural landscapes. As you walk the shaded trails and wooden boardwalks, you're surrounded by towering trees, lush vegetation, and the sounds of nature in every direction. One of the things that makes this park so special is its incredible wildlife. Birdwatchers come from all over the region hoping to spot colorful migratory birds, while others keep their eyes on the river for alligators, turtles, and even birds of prey soaring overhead. The trails here lead through scenic riverfront habitats and eventually to the remains of an old bridge, adding a sense of history and adventure to the journey. Around every bend, there's something new to discover, making this a perfect destination for nature lovers. photographers, hikers, and anyone looking to slow down and enjoy the outdoors. If you're searching for a quieter, less crowded place to connect with nature, the Morris Bridge site is one of Tampa Bay's best-kept secrets, and a reminder that some of Florida's most beautiful experiences are found off the beaten path. Up next, we're crossing the bay to St. Petersburg to explore one of the area's most underrated nature destinations, Sawgrass Lake Park. Spanning 400 acres, this beautiful preserve is home to one of the largest maple swamps on Florida's Gulf Coast, creating a unique ecosystem that's rich in wildlife and natural beauty. One of the highlights of the park is its elevated boardwalk, which winds through wetlands and offers visitors a chance to experience nature up close without disturbing the habitat. As you make your way along the trail, keep your eyes open for alligators, turtles, wading birds, and other wildlife that call this park home. Sawgrass Lake Park is especially popular among birdwatchers. During the spring and fall migrations, thousands of birds pass through the area, turning the park into a haven for wildlife enthusiasts and photographers alike. The observation tower provides stunning views across the wetlands and is the perfect spot to pause, take in the scenery, and appreciate the peaceful side of Florida that many visitors never get to see. Whether you're looking for a relaxing nature walk, an opportunity to spot wildlife, or simply a break from the city's hustle and bustle, Sawgrass Lake Park offers a peaceful escape that's well worth the visit. What if I told you one of St. Petersburg's best wildlife watching spots is hidden in the middle of a business district? That's right. Another wonderful place to escape and reconnect with nature is Carillon Park in St. Petersburg. At first glance, you might not expect to find such a peaceful natural retreat tucked within a busy business district, but that's exactly what makes this spot such a hidden gem. I used to live in this area, and for almost 2 years, I had the pleasure of enjoying my late afternoon walks in this park. If you're a bird and wildlife enthusiast, you're in for a treat. As you walk along the boardwalk and trails surrounding lake, you'll have the opportunity to spot a variety of Florida's native birds, including anhingas, herons, egrets, gallinules, spoonbills, wood storks, and many others. Keep your eyes on the water too. You may even see turtles, fish, and the occasional alligator. One of the highlights of the park is the scenic boardwalk that circles the lake, offering beautiful views at every turn. Whether you're enjoying a morning walk, an afternoon stroll, or simply taking a moment to enjoy the peaceful surroundings, it's easy to forget you're in the middle of the city. Adding to the park's charm is the iconic Carillon Bell Tower, a striking landmark that rises above the landscape and serves as a reminder that sometimes the most relaxing places can be found where you least expect them. For those seeking a quiet walk, wildlife viewing, or a peaceful break from the Florida heat, Carillon Park is a hidden oasis that's well worth exploring. Our next stop is one of Tampa's most unique hidden gems. Mongkolratanaram, a beautiful Thai Buddhist temple nestled along the peaceful banks of the Palm River. Founded in 1981, this stunning temple serves not only as a place of worship, but also as a cultural and community center. As you walk through the grounds, you'll be surrounded by traditional Thai architecture, intricate golden details, and a sense of tranquility that's hard to find elsewhere in the city. One of the most striking features of the temple is its beautiful golden viharn, or prayer hall, which reflects the rich traditions of Thai Buddhism and creates a truly memorable sight against the Florida landscape. Beyond its cultural significance, the riverside setting makes this a wonderful place to slow down, enjoy a peaceful walk, and appreciate the quiet beauty of the surroundings. The temple is also well known for its popular Sunday market, where visitors can enjoy authentic Thai food and experience a taste of Thailand right here in Tampa. Whether you're interested in culture, photography, architecture, or simply looking for a peaceful place to unwind, Mongkolratanaram offers a unique experience that feels worlds away from the busy city around it. Our next stop is the beautiful Florida Botanical Gardens in Largo, one of the largest public gardens in the Tampa Bay area. Spanning 182 acres, this peaceful oasis is filled with colorful gardens, shaded walking paths, native Florida plants, tropical landscapes, and plenty of places to relax and enjoy nature. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast, a photographer, or simply looking for a quiet escape, there's something here for everyone. As you explore the grounds, you'll discover a variety of themed gardens, including butterfly gardens, tropical fruit gardens, native plant collections, rose gardens, and even a cactus and succulent garden. Each area offers its own unique beauty and showcases plants from Florida and around the world. One of my favorite features is the Wetlands Walkway, where visitors can stroll along a scenic boardwalk and observe native wildlife in its natural habitat. With its lush greenery, vibrant flowers, and tranquil atmosphere, Florida Botanical Gardens is the perfect place to slow down, take a break from the Florida heat, and reconnect with nature. If you're looking for a peaceful outdoor escape in Pinellas County, this hidden gem is definitely worth a visit. What if I told you there's a 100-year-old tropical paradise hidden right in the middle of St. Petersburg? That's right. Our next stop takes us to one of St. Petersburg's most beloved hidden treasures, Sunken Gardens. Tucked away just minutes from downtown, this beautiful botanical oasis has been welcoming visitors for more than 100 years and remains one of Florida's oldest living attractions. As soon as you step inside, the city seems to disappear. Winding pathways lead through lush tropical landscapes filled with vibrant flowers, towering palms, tranquil ponds, and more than 50,000 tropical plants from around the world. One of the highlights of Sunken Gardens is its incredible collection of wildlife. Along the way, you'll encounter colorful flamingos, exotic birds, butterflies, and koi ponds that add even more life and beauty to the experience. From peaceful waterfalls and shaded walkways to rare plants and breathtaking gardens, every corner offers something new to discover. Whether you're looking for a relaxing stroll, a family outing, or simply a chance to immerse yourself in nature, Sunken Gardens is a tropical paradise that feels worlds away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Our final stop today brings us to one of Florida's most breathtaking botanical destinations, Selby Botanical Gardens in Sarasota. Nestled along the beautiful shores of Sarasota Bay, this 15-acre tropical paradise is renowned for its stunning collection of orchids, bromeliads, rare tropical plants, and spectacular waterfront views. As you wander through the gardens, you'll discover vibrant flowers, towering banyan trees, peaceful koi ponds, butterfly gardens, and winding pathways that invite you to slow down and enjoy the beauty of nature. Around every corner, there's something new to admire, making it easy to see why this garden is considered one of the finest botanical attractions in Florida. Beyond its beauty, Selby Gardens is also a world-renowned center for botanical research and conservation, helping to protect and study thousands of plant species from around the globe. Whether you're a plant enthusiast, photographer, nature lover, or simply looking for a peaceful escape, Selby Botanical Gardens offers a truly unforgettable experience. And as we wrap up our journey through Tampa Bay's parks, conservation areas, and botanical gardens, there's no better place to reflect on the incredible natural beauty that Florida has to offer. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey through Tampa Bay's parks, conservation areas, and botanical gardens. From peaceful river trails and hidden nature escapes to vibrant gardens full of life, I hope you enjoyed exploring these beautiful places as much as I did, and took a moment to appreciate the incredible natural beauty we're so lucky to have here in Florida. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and leave a comment below. I'd love to know. Have you visited any of these parks before? Or are there any hidden gems you think I should feature next? And if you love local travel, peaceful outdoor escapes, and discovering Florida's best-kept secrets, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. This is Christina, reminding you to embrace the journey, explore new horizons, and collect memories that last a lifetime. Until next time, happy travels. Ciao.